Letter F.
Letter F.
Letter F.
Letter F.
Letter F.
Fish. Fish. As in fish is the sound of F. As in fish is the sound of F.
Hi there! Who are we going to meet today? It's Freddy the fish.
I am a small fish. I have fins. I can swim.
What does Freddy have? Freddy has fins. What can he do? He can swim. Fish. Fish. Fins. Fins. Swim. Swim.
Swim, 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 come and swim in the pond. Swim, 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 swim with Freddy the fish. Swim, 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 come and swim in the pond. Swim, 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 swim with Freddy the fish. I am swimming in the pond. Duffy is here. He wants to swim too. But I am hungry. I must find something to eat.
What can Freddy eat? Worms. Seaweed. One fish. Two fish. Three fish. A big fish. A small fish. One fish. Two fish. Three fish. A big fish. A small fish. This is a fish. It has fins. It can swim.
I am Freddy the fish. I live in the pond. I can swim. Where do you live? Can you swim?
Letter F.
Fish. Fish. Fish.
Hey, my friends! Can you tell me what you learned in this lesson? Thanks. Don't forget subscribe.